Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to talk about 3 ways to make money in the event decorating industry. Now, these are some things that I have thought about this past year, and I wanted to share them with you, okay? So let's get started. The first idea is to invest in marquee numbers. So this is something that I've been thinking about for my business. You guys know I'm not really big on investing in a lot of event rentals because I don't have the storage space for it. But let me tell you, if you can invest in marquee numbers, you will definitely make your money back. Every client that comes to me for a birthday party, they are asking me for marquee numbers. And typically, it's for a 40th birthday party, a 60th birthday party, or a 21st birthday party, right? So that's been something that I have been thinking about, and I wanted to pass it along to you. Marquee numbers are still very popular, and I do not see them going anywhere. All of my clients have been requesting them. So I understand that marquee numbers are expensive. Like if you were to go to CV Linens, I believe they have them for like $200 to $300 per number, right? But some people make them themselves, right? So if you like to work with your hands, that could be something that you offer to your clients. This year, it's a big trend. Another way that you can make money this year is by investing in a photo booth. And I understand you may think, what does this have to do with event decorating? Well, typically, my clients will hire me to do a balloon backdrop, and then they'll hire a photo booth company to put the photo booth in front of the backdrop. So if you're already doing the balloon backdrops or backdrops in general, then you could invest in a photo booth, and that way clients can come to you for both. This is something that I've been thinking about for my business as well, because if I can get my clients to book me for the photo booth and the backdrop, then I make more money. The only thing is, typically when you offer photo booth services, you have to stay at the event, right? So just in case there's any issues with the photo booth, just in case there's any issues with printing out the pictures, right? So when I do my balloon backdrops or any type of backdrop, I just set up and then I leave the event. I come back after the event is done and clean up everything. So that's the only thing when it comes to the photo booth, is that you have to stay during the event. So you may want to think about a family member or your kid or your friend, right? Somebody who could stay at the event to make sure the photo booth is working. And that's the reason why I haven't added it onto my services yet, because I have to find someone who's going to stay at the event. Here's my third idea for you. And this one may be a little controversial, so just bear with me. So I think a good idea, especially if you are just getting into the event decorating industry and you want some experience, I think a good idea for you is to offer your help to clients. So you could offer decorating help to people who just want an extra pair of hands to help them set up, okay? So what I mean by this is that you would just show up at your client's events. You don't bring the decorations. You don't bring the balloons. You just bring yourself. Maybe you can bring your balloon pump, right? You can bring your own balloon pump. But you bring yourself and then you just help set up. So the client is buying the decorations. The client is transporting the decorations to the event location. You're just showing up to be able to help. And that way you could just charge your client per hour, right? And you also get the experience of helping to decorate events. Now, here's the thing. When I first started my business, I used to get so many people who came to me and said, I already purchased the balloons. I already purchased the backdrop. I already purchased the stand. I just need help at the event. I used to get this request all of the time. So if people are still requesting help, right? I do think this is a good opportunity for new event decorators. Now, here's the thing. If you are going to offer this type of service to your clients, I just want to give you a heads up that I think you should still have a contract, okay? Because you are going to need some sort of protection in case the client comes back and says that you didn't set up correctly. Or let's say that they get decorations that aren't durable and something ends up breaking. You don't want them to come back to you and try to sue you and say that, you did something wrong, right? So I would still recommend that you have some sort of contract that the client signs if you are going to offer this service. But I do think it's a great opportunity. It's a good opportunity for you to get the experience. It's a good opportunity for you to see what happens at events. And then I also think just because of the economy this year, I think we may see more people who want to decorate the event themselves, but when it comes time to decorating the event, they may get overwhelmed. And so they may just want someone to help them out. So if you have any questions, like if you are interested in adding these services to your business and you have any questions, please feel free to sign up for one of my classes. I do not mind doing the research and giving you my recommendations on how to price, okay? So how do you price your photo booth services? How do you price your marquee numbers? How do you price your service when you're just going out there and helping clients? And this is not something that's new. I do know people who offer that service with their business, okay? So if you need any help, just let me know. I will put the link in the description so you can sign up for my class. I have one coming up in March. I'm super excited. I have an 8-week class where I'm going to help you start your business step by step. So we are going to go over creating a website. We're going to go over marketing. We're going to go over finding clients. We're going to go over pricing. We're going to go over so much. Setting up your LLC, right? Business insurance. We talk about everything in this class. So if you're interested, click on the link in the description and sign up. But let me know in the comments, guys, what do you think about this video? Because if you guys want more ideas, I can definitely make videos about this kind of stuff, okay? So let me know in the comments if you need more ideas for how to make money for your business, all right? So if you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll see you in my next video.